Hey guys! Welcome back to About Craft. So, para sa video na to, sasabihin ko lang yung mga informations regarding my giveaway. Kung ano bang mapapanalunan mo, paano sumali, and all that stuff. Pero guys, wag po tayo mag-expect ng bongga, okay? Wala pong kotse dito, wala pong cellphone, wala pong camera. Ang meron dito, puso. Puso kasi these are all just little things that came from my heart, okay? So lahat to ako yung namili. And if member ka ng Raft Squad ko, I'm sure magugustuhan mo to. So basically, the purpose of this giveaway is to appreciate each and every single one of you. Kahit sa maliit na mga bagay lang na to, ipakita ko sana kung gaano ako ka-thankful sa aking Raft Squad. So yes, ang una kong ipapa-giveaway is this one. So yung Fashion 21 color set. So meron din akong ganito. Kaso yung akin naiwan ko sa kabilang bahay. Pero pag nanalo ka nito, twinning tayo. And pinili ko to because I really love it. Maraming colors, merong mga matte colors and may shimmers. Tapos napansin ko na I've been using this a lot sa aking mga makeup looks. And I know na sa future looks ko, gagamitin ko pa rin to. If meron akong mga makeup tutorials, magiging madali na lang sa inyo to recreate that look. Kasi nasa inyo na yung palette. The second thing that is included in my giveaway, super duper cute na mga pa-mermaid brushes. Super cute lang sila kasi yung handles nila ay inspired sa buntot ng mga sirena, tapos rainbow colored pa. Ako lang ba yun o kayo rin na kapag ka-cute yung mga makeup tools ninyo, mas gaganahan kayo mag-makeup? Binili ko to especially for you. Wala akong ganito. And it features 5 brushes. Tatlong pang face brush, meron siyang pang foundation brush, meron din pang contour, and then pang powder. And tatlong brushes for your eyeshadow. Next thing na ipapamigay ko is this one. Ito yung hair straightener or plancha ng buhok na super duper cute kasi ang liit lang niya tapos color pink. Perfecto sa mga taong mahilig mag-travel. Tapos meron na rin siyang lalagyan. Super duper handy siya. And since maliit lang siya, mas better yung control mo. Kahit short-haired ka, kahit guy ka, okay ito sa'yo. Next thing that I have is super simple lang pero para sa akin importante to. Itong hair velcro. So kadalasan sa aking mga makeup tutorials, gumagamit ako nito before applying the makeup. Kasi alam ko naman na ayaw nating lahat. Yung buhok natin ay nakalagay sa mukha while applying the makeup. So yes, ibibigay ko to sa inyo para hindi nyo na ma-encounter yung problem na yon. And like they always say, save the best for last. This is the last thing that is included in my giveaway. So yes, pareho ulit tayong meron ganito. Ito yung sa inyo, actually, nakapackage pa siya sa kanyang original plastic. Tapos ito yung akin. So, ito yung mermaid brushes na merong case na clam. And let me tell you guys, I'm so obsessed with this. Itsura pa lang, nakaka-in-love na siya. At hindi lang yon, tinry ko rin yung mga ibang brushes na included sa loob. And super effective talaga sila. Okay, buksan natin for you. Oh my goodness. Tingnan nyo guys, it's so cute. So yes, inside, very Ariel from The Little Mermaid kasi purple yung bristles, parang yung bra ni Ariel, tapos turquoise handle, parang yung buntot ni Ariel. And it's just so cute! Tapos yung brushes na included are yung mga brushes na mostly used. So merong dome brush, merong blending brush for the eyes, merong stippling brush, may blush brush, meron din siyang eyebrow brush guys, and a whole lot more. Isa na naman to dun sa mga makeup tools. Nagaganahan ka talaga mag-apply ng makeup. So basically, there you have it guys. 5 items for my 5K mini giveaway. Nga pala guys, 4 of these items came from an Instagram store called Beauthings_10. That is BEAUTHINGS_10. You can find them on Instagram. Tapos they sell really good quality brushes and makeup tools na hindi lang maganda ang quality pero ang ganda rin ng mga itsura. Very kikay, very rough. And another thing guys, mga products nila is mas mura pa sa Divisoria. I swear, can you guys remember yung pink brush set ko na nabili ko sa Divisoria for 500 pesos? They're selling it there for only 450 pesos. Ang laking halaga na kaya ng 50 guys. So yes, kung gusto mo ng super cute, super adorable, pang-kikay makeup tool, pero ayaw mong gumastos masyado, then go ahead and check out Beauthings_10 on Instagram. So anyway, sa mechanics ng aking pag-giveaway, ang mga kailangan yung gawin ay Unang-una, kailangan syempre part ka ng Raf Squad. You should be a subscriber of my channel. And mangi-stalk talaga ako, guys. Titignan ko kung nakasubscribe ba talaga kayo sa About Raf. And then, second thing, you have to be following me on Instagram. So, yung Instagram username ko is @RafWantsYou. This RAFWANTSYOU. Then, sa aking feed, I will be posting a photo. Ayan yung itsura ng photo. And you need to regram it or repost it on your Instagram page. Tapos sa caption, you have to put the hashtag AboutRaf5K. Kapag nagawa mo na yun, best, pumunta ka ulit sa video na to. Tapos i-comment mo sa baba yung username mo sa Instagram. And ayun, you're officially entered sa aking mini giveaway. So yes, this video will be posted on April 12. And this whole giveaway will run for a month. So, May 12, i-announce ko rin yung winner sa pamamagitan ng Instagram. So, dapat talaga pina-follow nyo ako sa Instagram kasi paano nyo malalaman kung sino mananalo. So, yes, guys, there you have it for this video. Hope you guys will support me by joining this mini giveaway. Just don't forget to like this video. I love you guys. Mwah.
The sky is all violet. If I'm taking shotgun, let me ride it with you.